Hey guys, William Harry here. Again, Lloyd cannot be here, and the reason why I bring you here is because I want to show you my pet bird. He's blue, and his name is Blueberry. I want to show you. Go. He's got some toys set up for him. Yeah, this Blueberry. He's a little bit shy. My mum thinks he hates us. A nice little bird. We call him Blueberry because he's blue and he's small. And he kind of looks like a blueberry to me. I named him. I got him for Christmas. This is 2018, and he's currently living the day before I'm going to school soon. So, going to school very, very soon. And, I just wanted to show you him, so. See you guys. Bye.